Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this project I will use 3mm crochet hook, a ball of the half of the cotton yarn. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. For this make a chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my foundation chain is ready. Pattern consists of 2 stitches. You can crochet any amount of chains in the foundation chain. Multiples of 2. Let's crochet row 1. It is going to be preparation row. For this, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. I'm making single crochet on the 2 chains. Make the first chain, the second, and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Make double crochet. I skip the next chain stitch. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, like this, and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet to the same chain stitch. Let's repeat one more time. I skip the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop, then pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. And double crochet into the same chain stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round or row. Then I will show you how to complete this row together. I'm about to complete this row. I skip the next chain stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make double crochet. Well done. Row 1 is ready. So my pattern consists of only 1 row. This row I did for preparation. Let's crochet the main pattern. To start the row, make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Let's look at my loops. There are 2 loops in the stitch, front and back loop. First of all, I will work with front loop, then with back one. Make 2 chains into this front loop and single crochet like this. Make double crochet into the back loop. I skip the first stitch, work with the second one. So make 2 chains into the front loop and single crochet. Grab the yarn, make a chain, 1, 2, and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second one, work with front loop, make 2 chains and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. So as you can see, I am working on the main pattern. It consists of 1 row. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Once you have done the first row of pattern, I skip the first stitch. I do this always. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. This is the 3rd chain stitch to bring up the yarn, or 1st stitch from the top. Make double crochet. So I'm going to work in the same way as many times as you need for your project. So my pattern consists of 1 row and has 2 stitches. Let's repeat chain of 3 to bring up the yarn and turn the work. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the front loop of the 2nd stitch, make chains 1, 2 and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop of this stitch. I skip the next stitch, work with 2 loops of the next stitch, 2 chains into the front loop, 1, 2 and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done row 2 of the main pattern. Once I have done the 2nd row, yarn over the hook, I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the 1st stitch from the top or 3rd stitch from the bottom. Make double crochet. So row 2 is ready. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. So you should make in the same way as I showed you before. I skip the next stitch, work with 2 loops of the 2nd stitch, make some chains, 1, 2 and single crochet, double crochet into the back loop of the stitch, 1 and 2. I skip the next stitch and make a chains into the front loop of the next stitch, 1, 2 and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. So here is my example. It is ready. It looks like a coaster or mug rack for your favorite mug. Pattern consists of 1 row and has 2 stitches. It is a little bit elastic. Such kind of project could be perfect to create scarf or bag or another accessories for your home. Please don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more on my channel. Please write comment below the video what you will get with this video tutorial or with others. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!